Hello! Today, we'll go through a step-by-step guide on how to outsource your property management functions to the Philippines. Step 1. Define your outsourcing goals. When outsourcing your property management company, it's important to identify the specific tasks or functions that you want to delegate. Analyze your operations and pinpoint areas where outsourcing can streamline processes and add value. This may include tenant screening, rent collection, maintenance coordination, financial reporting, or lease administration. By defining these tasks, you can establish realistic objectives and expectations for outsourcing engagement. Step 2. Research outsourcing providers. Look for outsourcing companies specializing in property management services in the Philippines with experience in the real estate sector. Consider their reputation, capabilities, and resources including team size, expertise, technology, and scalability. Client testimonials and case studies are helpful indicators of their quality and customer satisfaction. Step 3. Assess provider capabilities. When evaluating outsourcing providers for your property management company in the Philippines, assess their capabilities, expertise, and range of services. Consider their team size, industry knowledge, and scalability to ensure that they can meet your needs and accommodate future growth. Seek reference or case studies to gauge their performance and client satisfaction. A comprehensive evaluation will also help you choose a provider that can help you effectively support your property management operations. Step 4. Define your requirements. When defining your outsourcing requirements, clearly communicate your expectations through service level agreements or SLAs and key performance indicators or KPIs. SLAs should cover performance expectations, communication protocols, and reporting requirements. KPIs, on the other hand, measure the provider's performance against your business goals. Step 5. Request proposals. Request detailed proposals from the shortlisted outsourcing providers, including an overview of their services, pricing models, security measures, quality control processes, and client references. Provide a comprehensive list of your requirements to receive tailored proposals. Review each proposal carefully, considering the scope of services, pricing, and service level agreements. Step 6. Conduct due diligence. Conduct due diligence on a chosen outsourcing provider for your property management company in the Philippines to verify their credentials, assess financial capability, evaluate security protocols, and ensure compliance with regulations. Verify their background, industry experience, certifications, and reputation. Confirm compliance with labor laws, property management regulations, and other legal requirements. Step 7. Work on contract negotiations. Work closely with your legal team to finalize an outsourcing contract for your property management company in the Philippines. Clearly define the scope of work, deliverables, timelines, and performance expectations. Adjust pricing, payment terms, and financial aspects transparently. Collaborating with your legal team ensures comprehensive coverage, minimizes risk, and protects your interests in the engagement. Step 8. Start the onboarding and knowledge transfer process. Collaborate closely with the outsourcing provider during the onboarding process, providing comprehensive training materials, documentation, and system access. Organize training materials and grant access to relevant systems and platforms. Maintain a supportive and collaborative approach, encouraging questions and providing timely assistance. This fosters a seamless onboarding experience and effective knowledge transfer for your property management company. Step 9. Establish communication channels. Establishing effective communication channels is crucial for ongoing collaboration and transparency with your property management provider in the Philippines. Determine the frequency and mode of communication that suits your outsourcing engagement, considering the project's complexity and coordination needs. Regular meetings, video conferences, email updates, and project management tools can all be utilized. Clearly communicate your expectations regarding reporting and updates to ensure transparency and consistency in information exchange. Step 10. Monitor the provider's performance. Regularly monitoring the outsourcing provider's performance is essential to ensure that property management services meet expectations. Schedule performance review meetings to assess their adherence to SLAs and KPIs. Prepare by analyzing performance data and identifying areas for improvement. During the meetings, discuss achievements, challenges, and feedback, and collaborate on solutions. Utilize performance metrics to support objective discussions and drive improvement. Last, we have step 11, maintain a strong partnership. Foster a strong partnership with the outsourcing provider through trust, open communication, and feedback. Provide necessary resources and access to systems promoting collaboration. By doing so, you can maximize the benefits of outsourcing, enhance property management operations, and achieve mutual growth and success. Are you a property management company looking to better care for your property? Outsource your property management functions to the Philippines. Go to kdci.co to learn more.